Hello and welcome. In this math tutorial, our task is to find the value of the square root of 1 over a squared plus 1 over b, given the condition that log to base 12 of a squared plus b is equal to 2 plus log to base 3 of b, which in turn is equal to 3 plus log to base 2 of a. And we are told that a and b are positive numbers. Now, to solve this problem, since this quantity is equal to this quantity and at the same time equal to this quantity, then let three of them be equal to a constant x. What this means is that log to base 12 of a squared plus b will be equal to x. Then 2 plus log to base 3 of b will also be equal to x. And lastly, 3 plus log to base 2 of a will be equal to x. Now, of course, you know that from this first statement, we have that 12 to the power x is equal to a squared plus b. That is, a squared plus b is equal to 12 to the power x. From this second equation, first of all, let us subtract 2 from both sides of this equation. When we do that, we have that log to base 3 of b is equal to x minus 2. And now we have that 3 to the power x minus 2 is equal to b. So we have that b is equal to 3 to the power x minus 2. And then from this third equation, first of all, we are going to subtract 3 from both sides of this equation. When we do that, we have that log to base 2 of a is equal to x minus 3. And once more, we have that 2 to the power x minus 3 is equal to a. So we have that a is equal to 2 to the power x minus 3. Now let us look at the quantity under the square root sign. What we are going to do is that we will combine these two fractions into one single unit. And of course, how do we do that? We multiply this numerator by this denominator. So we have 1 times b, that is equal to b, plus, that is this. Then we multiply this denominator by this numerator. So we have a squared times 1, that is a squared. Then this is over. We multiply this denominator by this denominator, that is a squared times b. So here we have a squared times b. Now, first of all, we are going to evaluate this before we finally introduce the square root. Now, look at what we have here. We have that a squared plus b is equal to 12 to the power x. So this is equal to 12 to the power x over, we have that a is 2 to the power x minus 3. So a squared is going to be 2 to the power x minus 3 squared. And then we have that b is equal to 3 to the power x minus 2. So here we have 3 to the power x minus 2. Now, of course, from here we have 12 to the power x divided by, remember that when we have two powers like this, to get rid of this bracket, what we do is that we multiply these two powers. So here we have 2 to the power x times 2, that is 2x, minus 3 times 2, that is 6. And here we have 3 to the power x minus 2. Now, notice that 12 is equal to 4 times 3. So this numerator is the same as 4 times 3 to the power x. And of course, in the denominator, we still have 2 to the power 2x minus 6 multiplied by 3 to the power x minus 2. Also notice that 4 can be written as 2 squared. So this is 2 squared multiplied by 3 to the power x. And finally, to open this bracket, of course, what we do is we multiply these two powers. So here we have 2 to the power 2 times x, that is 2x, multiplied by 3 to the power 1 times x. So this is 3 to the power x. Now, at this point, let us remember the law of indices that says that a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Now, here we have 2 and here we have 2. So we can combine these two. When we do that, we have 2 to the power 2x minus 2x minus 6. So here we have 2x minus 6. And then we have multiplied by 3 to the power x minus x minus 2. Of course, when we open the bracket, we have 2 to the power 2x minus 2x. Minus minus is plus 6, multiplied by 3 to the power x minus x. Minus minus is plus, so we have plus 2. Now, 2x minus 2x is equal to 0. So here we have 2 to the power 6. X minus x is equal to 0. So here we have 3 to the power 2. And finally, we can now introduce the square root. When we do that, we have the square root of this. And then you know that this is the same as this to power half. So this is equal to 2 to the power 6 times half, which is equal to 3, multiplied by 3 to the power 2 times half, which is equal to 1. This is equal to 2 to the power 3 is 8, multiplied by 3, which is equal to 24. So we have that the value of the square root of 1 over a squared plus 1 over b, when log to base 12 of a squared plus b, is equal to 2 plus log to base 3 of b, which is in turn equal to 3 plus log to base 2 of a, is 24. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a like to support the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.